friends, we are working on combining to add. In this example, we have 3 red circles and 2 yellow circles. When we combine them, we're going to figure out how many we have all together. So if we count them all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 2 make 5. Let's look. We are talking about all the different ways we can combine to make 5. If we look at the first set, we see all yellow counters. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 yellow counters. Do we see any red counters? No. So we are going to put 0. This says 0 and 5 make 5. Let's do the next one together. How many red counters do we see? I see 1. So I'm going to write 1, and let's count how many yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4. 1 and 4 make 5. Let's do one more together. 1, 2. There are 2 red counters, so I'm going to write 2. And there's 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow counters, 2 and 3 make 5. You will do the rest in Class Kick.